This is lesson number 3 in chapter 7. Solve and write subtraction equation. The same as we did with addition equation, we use subtraction. Also, we will do with subtraction equation, we will use addition because we always use an inverse operation. Let's see how we can deal with the problem. Here in problem A, x minus 7 equals 4. Of course, many students can solve this problem mentally and they can say that x equals 11. But to use the method of this lesson, we have to add 7 to the left-hand side, add 7 to the right-hand side. Then, of course, addition will cancel subtraction. So x equals 11. In problem B, also plus 6 plus 6. And plus 6 will cancel minus 6. So that y equals 8 plus 6, which is 14. 9 equals a minus 5. So plus 5 plus 5. See how easy? And plus 5 will cancel minus 5. So a remains in the left-hand side. 9 plus 5 is 14. So the answer is also 14. Moving on. Problem D. Georgia's height is 4 inches less than Sienna's height. Georgia is 58 inches tall. Write and solve subtraction equation. Write and solve subtraction equation. Means in the equation there must be minus sign. To find Sienna's height. So Sienna's height is the unknown. So we can say that Sienna's height is x, for example, or s or h, whatever the letter you are going to use, whatever the variable, it doesn't really make difference. So this is problem D. I will say that Sienna's height is x, Georgia's height is 4 inches less than Sienna. 4 less than Sienna means x minus 4 is 58. Now, to know Sienna, we will add plus 4 for both sides, plus 4 for the left-hand side, plus 4 for the right-hand side. Then you know that plus 4 will cancel minus 4, and the x remains in the left-hand side alone. So 58 plus 4, this will give you 62 inches tall. So, moving on. The guided practice, solve each equation and check your solution. Just solve. I need you just to solve. This is subtraction equation, so we will use addition, so plus 5 plus 5. And addition will cancel subtraction. So A remains in the left-hand side, and 9 plus 5 will give you 14. Also here subtraction equation, so we will use addition, plus 3 plus 3. And we can cancel addition with subtraction, so B remains in the left-hand side alone. 7 plus 3 is 10. Also for this one, we will use addition, plus 8 plus 8. And you know that addition will cancel subtraction, so y remains in the right-hand side, and 4 plus 8 will give you 12. So y equals 12. Of course, you can check mentally, but I don't want you to write it down, just check mentally. And it is really 14 minus 5 will give us 9. So yes, this is okay. Is really 10 minus 3 will give us 7, so yes, this is okay. Is really 12 minus 8 will give us 4, so yes, this is okay, and so on. Now in problem 4, Catherine studied 1.25 hours for her science test. This was 0.5 hours less than she studied for her algebra test. Write and solve a subtraction equation to find how long she studied for her algebra test. So, how long she studied for the algebra test is the unknown, because we are asking you to find. So this is the unknown. So we can say that this unknown is x, for example, or h for hours, or a for algebra. Whatever the letter you are going to use, it really doesn't make difference. Now, Catherine studied 1.25 hours for her science test, and this was 0.5 hours less. 0.5 hours less than she studied for her algebra test. Means algebra minus 0.5. So x minus 0.5, this will be 1.25. Now we will use addition. So plus 0.5 for the left hand side, plus 0.5, which is 0.50 for the right hand side. Now I will take a comma to continue on the same line. Of course, addition will cancel subtraction, so x remains, and we need to add 1.25 to 0.50. This will give you 1.75 hours.